we can speak about 2015 harvest, and so 2015 harvest for the Chardonnay, what I know more than Pinot Noir, in Vertu and Côte des Blancs. I think it's a good example, like 2000, maybe 2011, and it's a good example for a big difference between phenolic maturity and maturity from the level of sugar, because more and more we have hot summer and rainy spring, and this hot summer create a big rise of sugar, but sometimes the maturity of the pulp in the berries doesn't follow this rising of sugar, and when you arrive at the beginning of harvest, maybe the level of sugar is enough, but the pulp is not completely finished. The maturity of pulp is not completely finished. So more and more we have to be careful between this difference. It's why more and more we do again a lot of tasting of berries, and to be sure we are in the right moment of the maturity of phenolic aromas, and we remark when the sugar arises by the leaves, by photosynthesis. After a moment there is a kind of stop, and at this moment the real phenolic aromas arrive when you taste the berries, and we have to pick up a few days after this moment. So it's why maybe certain Chardonnay in 15 at the beginning of harvest are a little bit green, and after a few days it was okay. So it's why here we try to pick up more and more very late, to be in a real balance between a real salty acidity and good phenolic maturity. That's very important, because I am sure more the phenolic maturity is made, more you can keep your wine and do big vintage, good vintage.